Hey guys, what's up? This is my next cold start. It's my lawnmower, Tecumseh MTD, by Yard Machine, 3.5 horsepower and 21-inch cutting deck. So she hasn't been started in a week. The reason I'm gonna cold start it because I'm gonna mow the lawn for the last time. So you can see muffin's fucking freezing. Carb needs cleaning. Let's see if she has some gasolina. Yep, she has some fluid in there still. So let's go ahead and try to start this bitch. Okay, let me just give it some primes. It's gonna take a while to start. Put her on the tripody. Fucking freezing my balls. Low compression. Can I do compression test on it? So, there it is, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, rate, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.